Since we talked last, I've worked on my Thien Baffle. I've got a 6-inch fitting through the center of the barrel lid. Got a flexible line going down to my impeller. This side is going to get connected to my system. So this will be the intake side. Let me lift the lid off and show you what we got. On the intake side, it's going to come in and all the stuff is going to come out through here, and I just put this on there to kind of keep it from sucking directly. It's going to come in and it's going to spin in a centrifugal motion around the barrel. So this piece is going to sit something like this, so that the material is going to come in this vent in this area, and it's going to be going around the barrel, and as it does, it's going to slow down. As it slows down, then all the larger pieces and all the dust, or the heavier dust and the like, is going to drop down past this baffle and into my barrel. The center of this baffle will protect this from sucking that material back up into the rest of the dust collection system. So this is going to separate out of the large particles, because it's going to spin across here and up against the outside of the barrel, slowing down, and then drop down past this baffle into the barrel. So that's going to sit on there something like that. So the inlet's going to be over here on top of this. It's going to come around the barrel, and as it gets over into this side, it's going to drop all the heavy particles down below. Then the exhaust is going to go out through and to my impeller. So I'm almost done. I just need to mount this. Got all the rest of this got my tubing put on there yesterday, tested it out, seems to work fine. I need to put the flex line between here, and instead of being at the bottom where it is now, I'm going to cut this off and move it up here so it's up at the top, less curves in the tube. So I need to do that. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to take it down to do that. So I will be doing that, and that'll have this dust collection system finished. And we'll have converted a cheap Harbor Freight single stage dust collector into a 2-stage that'll hold about 50 gallons of dust.